Woo! Yeah, look at that. Hello, Keto Bob Bombers, and welcome back to the channel. This is Keto Bob Bomb, and I am your host, Shane. I live in China, and I make videos about life in China, so if that is something you want to see more of, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button while you're at it. Thank you very much. Quick disclaimer, I do have affiliate links down in the description. Should you make a purchase, I will make a small commission. Thank you for your support. Woohoo! I got my new shoes. My new shoes. Got my new shoes. My new shoes. Woohoo! Check it out. I don't care. I don't care. comGateway, the company I trust to send my goods from the USA to China. Link in the description. Swapsy is the company I use to get my money from the USA to China and from China to the USA. Link in the description. Woo! Thank you for watching. Hit like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. 再见!